expand x minus 8 into bracket y minus 3. Solution. Now we have x minus 8 into bracket y minus 3. The first term in the first binomial expression is x. Now we use x to multiply the whole of second binomial expression, which is y minus 3. Now we have minus 8 as the second term in the first binomial expression, which is minus 8. So we use minus 8 to multiply the whole of second binomial expression. Now the next thing for us to do is to expand the brackets. Expanding the brackets, we use x to multiply the first term here, which is x times y, x, y. We use that same x to multiply minus 3. Then we have minus 3x. Now, we use minus 8 here to multiply the first term, which is minus 8 times y. We have minus 8y. Now, we use that same minus 8 to multiply the second term here, which is minus 3. So, minus times minus will give us plus. Then, minus times minus will give us plus. And 8 times 3 will give us what? 24. So, here we have plus 24. Now, we have 4 terms. And these 4 terms are unlike terms. Hence, the solution to the problem is xy minus 3x minus 8y plus 24. That is the answer.